Review and follow precautions. Follow preparation procedures to power down, extend, or remove the server from the rack. Remove all hot plug power supplies, access panel, and air baffle. Remove the SATA optical drive cable from the system board. Loosen the captive Torx T15 thumb screw that secures the power supply backplane to the power supply cage assembly. Pull up on the power supply backplane to disconnect it from the system board. Lift the power supply backplane off of its guide pins and carefully maneuver the power supply backplane out from under the power supply cage and out of the chassis. To replace the power supply backplane, reverse the removal procedure.